is Tonic Crypto, Tectonic, the lending protocol on the Chronos blockchain, still a good investment? Today, man, we're going straight into it. A lot of people been asking me about Tonic. Tonic is the biggest lending protocol on the Chronos blockchain. And right now, it's looking like it's been a little silent. They haven't been tweeting lately. They haven't been really putting out a lot of new information. The protocol is still up and running, but I love to see when projects really start talking about it, really, putting out new information, putting out new, rewards programs and things like that, especially right now when we in a upcoming bull market or we already in a bull market. We want to see the projects really go in detail about what's going on, but Tectonic has been silent. So today, I'm going to talk about it. We're going to go into depth about what's going on with Tectonic, what they're doing, their previous tweets or their latest tweets, and also what the people is saying about Tectonic. But before we do that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and don't forget to tell a friend or tell a friend. We are in a bull market, guys, and we just now getting started. A lot of people think it's over. Bitcoin reached the all-time high. Now everybody is starting to panic and sell right now. But I did say in my previous videos we will experience a dip in this market, and that's what it is. But Bitcoin has recently today hit $72,000, man, and that's going to be very big, especially after the Bitcoin halving. We should see Bitcoin eventually hit 100K this year. I'm telling you, Bitcoin will probably most likely hit 100K, and that's going to be very exciting for the other altcoins. So stay tuned. We just getting started. Don't give up, man. We in this to win this. So let's talk about it. Tectonic. Let's start off looking at price and where it's at today. So right now I am on CoinGecko, and we can see Tectonic is at 0.000006 right now. It is up less than 1% on the day, but today is a green day. Now the market cap is at $33.6 million. The fully diluted is $67 million, and the trading volume is 55,000. Now the total value lock is at 140 million, so it's still a lot of money locked up on the Tectonic protocol, and that's something good to see. A lot of people aren't taking their money out. Me personally, I do believe this is backed by crypto.com or the Chronos blockchain team. That's why it's so much money left on there. I do think they're holding the project up, but I don't like how Tectonic is really not talking at all in this bull market. Like, let's get some traction going. Let's really build out this, lending protocol and make it something bigger than a lending protocol. Now, if we zoom out in the past 7 days, this past week, we are in the red, man. So this week hasn't been a good week for Tectonic. If we scroll down a little bit more, we can see the past year we are down 8%, guys. We are down 8% this past year. But if you would have got in, around, August and rolled those highs and, cashed out around December, you would have made profits. But like I said, we truly don't know where Tectonic is going. It is a lending protocol, so yeah, I feel like it has to do more than just be a lending protocol, especially in this type of market. We know it's a multitude of lending protocols on different blockchains, and with Chronos being so high as far as gas fees, they have lowered the gas fees. Then they came out with a new incentive and a new upgrade with a Titan upgrade for the blockchain. But at the same time, we got to understand, man, now is really the time for Tonic to really put out some new information. If we go to their, Twitter page or X page or whatever you want to call it, we can see the last one they put out, the last tweet they put out, it wasn't even a tweet that they put out. It was a retweet from Argo, and we can see cash and trade or cash and carry trade on Ethereum. Got you excited. What about something on Chronos? Borrow B Crow for 14% on Tonic, unstake, buy back a discount on VVS for repayment, and come back with more B Crow. So This was a retweet about 3 days ago, but before that, they didn't tweet anything since March 22nd, man. That's something, big, I feel like, because you supposed to go away in the bear market. This is something that you do in a bear market. In the bull market, you want to be pushing, 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 and promoting your project like crazy, because that is where the liquidity is going to come in. It's not just going to happen. You really got to continue to build, but also market your project. And Tectonic is not doing that right now. Now, they do have a lot of liquidity on the program or on the project itself. $140 million is a lot of money. So you still can get in there, borrow some, and do different strategies that you would like. But like I said, I want to see them build it out more. Right now, it's looking like the protocol is only good to borrow and lend, but not necessarily hold TONIC as a crypto holding. And if I, search the TONIC ticker, we can see right now somebody said staking my TONIC was the worst decision of my life. I'd rather pay a fee just to get the F out, man. So a lot of people are not bullish on TONIC as of right now. Now, is it dead? I want to say it's completely dead because it still has $140 million locked on the project. But at the same time, they have to do something right now in this bull market to really give, the holders something to be excited about, man. We got to be excited about these projects. We can't just, let them fall down and not tweet about it at all. Even if you're still building, you gotta let the people know, especially on Twitter. Twitter is probably one of the biggest hubs for the crypto space, other than Discord and Telegram and things like that. But a lot of people get on Twitter to get their information, and if information isn't being updated, they're gonna think your project is pretty much dead, man. So that's what I'm saying. TONIC, is it a good investment? In my personal opinion, I wouldn't hold TONIC or buy any more TONIC. I'm holding a small amount of TONIC, not too much, but I have been rotating into other projects for the time being, because they haven't been keeping us updated on what's going on and what they plan to do moving forward, other than being just a lending protocol. A lending protocol is good, and I feel like every blockchain, needs one. But at the same time, if you want to grow as a project, it has to be something more, because if you're just a copy and paste of another project, it's going to eventually die down once other bigger chains start taking over, and people see, okay, I can get on this chain and maybe do it for less fees, and also this chain is still building out their lending protocol. So that's my video for today, Crypto Troll. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on them notifications, and don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. We just getting started in this bull market, and now is really the time to really find those projects you want to go all in on and really make some money and generational wealth for yourself. So, Crypto Troll, I'm out of here.